Alright guys, you awake back there? Yeah? You awake, Quinn? Where are we going?
We are going to
Duluth? And it's 6 a.m. on a Saturday. Are we crazy?
Maybe.
We're crazy. Alright, till then, peace.
This rhythm still swaying. Bet you think that I'm playing. Hot damn, y'all making a name, and I'm changing the game. You're gonna remember my name. You can see me moving, I'm accelerating at the speed of light. The speed of light. I can see the music moving in your veins. You know I own the night. I own the night. Got something to say. Get out of my way. I'm here to stay. And you can't stop.
Now, baby, you can't stop.
Got something to say.
Got something to say.
Get out of my way.
Just get out of my way.
I'm here to stay.
Yeah.
You can't stop me.
Nah,
You can't stop me.
Yeah. Yo, I see your mouth move, but you ain't saying nothing. What you gotta prove? I don't do the frontin'. I say what I mean what I say. I don't play, sidestep the fake, do it in my way. I'ma call these dudes out, funny with the hate, cause your words don't make sense, like parking in the driveway. You could take the low road, I'ma take the highway. All I do is win, bet that hurts, T-Pain.
You can see me moving, I'm accelerating at the speed of light. The speed of light. I can see the music moving in your veins. You know I own the night. I own the night. Got something to say. Yeah.
You don't want to know.
We'll have to get taller than the boats, buddy, because they have to get under here.
You can't even.
You want to get this sign in here?
Okay, there it is. Okay.
Yeah, just leave it.
That's tall. It's very, very tall. I'm scared the heck out of it. Good. Good.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Alright, everyone, we're back. Take a guess where? Duluth, like we said.
Dun, 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 dun.
Look at it. Quite different scene than last time we were here. Really foggy, obviously from the intro videos. You guys have probably noticed it was really foggy. And it's about 15 degrees cooler. Right, Ted?
15 degrees.
Jeez.
Oh, God.
Is shy or what? The camera or what?
No, I'm not.
Still a lot of people here though, I think. I mean, for being not even 10 o'clock yet on a Saturday.
Yeah. You'd think there would be more.
Supposed to be a boat departing here in a couple hours.
11
So
o'clock?
11:30, between 11:30 and 1:30, it can depart. So we'll see if we wait for it.
Not clear water.
It's pretty good.
Last time it was brown.
Brown, yeah.
I wonder why it was brown.
It's not as wavy. Remember the waves? Like,
Oh, yeah. It's just...
yeah, they go out there now if you want.
Yeah, we can go. I keep on thinking it's like a boat.
Say hi, Quinn.
Say hi.
We decided to take a day trip up to Duluth one more time before winter hits.
If you didn't want to build
And
this,
enjoy
you
the
could,
fall colors. Hopefully we get to see some more fall colors here with the fog dispersing hopefully in the afternoon. Just walking over towards the bridge here now. They haven't done this part before. Oh yeah, I see that. Oof.
What if you had to go up there?
Imagine, yeah. People have to go up there and check it out. Yeah.
If you guys didn't want to build like a going lift bridge, you'd have to start outside down here and probably.
Come on, we can go over just fine.
Yeah, we can.
Maybe Skylar and I will walk across.
Yeah.
We have plenty of time. Watch out, they'll attack you. Just kidding. So there's 2 lanes there? That's so strange. Doesn't seem like it. Q, stay out of the water, please. Alright, we're back. We got Mommy to going to cross the bridge. Hell has frozen over.
Check out that place later. You guys sit here and then let's go.
Alright. Here we go. Back down.
This is just the sidewalk. This isn't even the bridge yet, even. Oh, we'll be fine. Bridge approach, restricted area. Come out, Sampo.
Alright, it says we can go over. Hopefully we don't get stuck on it. You guys can kind of see through it. Quinn's having issues walking, I guess. I don't know why. Skylar. Wow. I gotta say, I didn't expect it to be like this, but. There's the canal. We're halfway there. And we gotta do it all over again.
Remember last time that.
You okay, Mom? Quinn? You not okay? Quinn's just like walking. To the other side. Like you said, I don't know what the other side is. This is considered Minnesota still, or Wisconsin, or what. I'll have to look that up. This is our first time walking over here. We actually got Mommy in the corners to walk. Skylar's back there too, but here we are. Here we are. Hey, there's a little fire over there. Pretty cool. A little cool fire over there. Alright, now we're, like I said, we're back on the other side. We're going to be heading to the pier over here. Never been on this side, ever.
It would have been so cool for what the 2 of us being on that side and the 2 of
Yeah.
us being on this side. And we could
Okay,
just...
Sky, you swim across and we'll take your picture.
Shut up. I'm not doing that.
$100 we get Skylar to swim across to. It's only like 45-degree water right now, probably.
5 to
45.
45 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah, they're gonna have to lift it. Oh no, oh no, we're gonna get stuck over here. They have to lift the bridge. Dun, 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 dun. It's like the boat from Jaws. Dun, 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 dun. Older than that, but 86, 85. It's kind of whether you went out, Mommy, in the boat. Alright, I'm just going to show a little bit of this. I want to save the battery for the oar boat here. Oar boat, battery's down to 60% already. Gotta pick myself up another one of those. Because kids like you.
Yeah, probably because you got hit by a giant wave.
Could have been, yeah. I'm assuming it does get hit by waves.
Yeah, I definitely get hit by a giant wave. Probably what other models around here.
Yeah.
What?
Thing right there behind you.
Quinn, stop at the bugs. Alright, out there, guys, that's the main part of Superior. Oh, it's really trippy in that. Alright, we made it safely back over here now, as you can tell. Walking down the street here in Duluth. Canal Park area. Some old buildings here. It smells really good, whatever that is. Alright, what were you gonna say?
Guys, this is so exciting. The tugboat's coming straight here.
There's the boat over there. Or boat. It's not one of the bigger ones, but it's a big one.
I feel like we're gonna have some big waves.
That's pretty tall. That's almost hit
Nick Crop.
midship Pickleton. There you go. Midship Pickleton. So 37 feet in depth. That's 3 floors. 3 stories tall. Deep in the water. He must have scraped the sides of it. Looks like it's just gliding.
He must have scratched itself.
tank goes from the top to the bottom, so he's probably 10 feet under the water or more.
10 feet.
Yeah.
That's two of me stacked on top of
Yeah.
each other. That's still a lot. Oh, look at that, Dad.
Yeah.
Lake Ontario. Had to be like a 3-day trip to Lake Ontario.
It's a quick trip, they said.
Is that a tugboat? There's no way that's a tugboat.
No.
That thing's got to be like maybe 50 years old, that boat.
See the waves picked up a lot more now?
Yeah, because we're behind
The weather?
flipping.
No, because of the weather. Did you have fun? Saw a big boat? Yeah?
I was fishing.
Yeah?
The boat's going down there.
Pretty cool, huh, this guy?
Did you jump?
No.
Huh?
No, I did not.
I saw you.
I did not jump.
You jumped?
No, I literally was like,
Skylar
how
jumped,
low.
guys. He almost fell in the water again. He's
I did
famous-
not jump, so take that out of context.
Of course, Quinn finds it. Of course, Quinn finds an egg right away. Quinn, what's that one right there? Is that anything? That one. Right here. Is that one? Show mommy. What's this one, mommy? You sure? Mirrors. A little rainy, but it's not too bad. Not getting wet at all, really. Left the canal. We kind of went up a little bit north. Yeah, that's a pretty one. Honey, if they're pretty to you, you keep them. Okay. There's Lake Superior again. You just can't seem to stay away from Lake Superior. Whoa. This beach is turning out better than I thought. There's another one. That's a good one. Yeah, that might be something. Got my own bucket this time, thank God, huh? What's up? Oh, I found some glass. Quinn, stay by us, please. Skylar, what is that right there?
Right there?
That white, like a white one right there.
Joe, take a look at it.
No, over to your right. Right at your foot.
Right next to my, right here?
Yeah, what? The big thing.
It's a mixture of rock.
What is that?
Okay. Definitely not an agate, but it's gotta be something in that category.
Mommy came through with a green piece of glass already. This is pretty interesting one. Pretty calm lake out here today, guys. Huh? Gwen, careful, hon. Oh, that is a unique one. Yeah. Hey, Sky.
I just lifted up that entire thing.
How's it going, Quinn? How you doing? You finding anything? Yeah. Look how clear the whoa, that bird does not like us. How's it going, Mommy? Going? Having fun? Yeah, that's nice. Not sure what these are. I'll have to ask around. Mark, careful. We don't need to hurt ourselves.
I've already moved it like 3 times.
Okay. What's going on, Q? What's wrong? Aren't you happy? Remember, next year we have to get a couple more scoopers. Well, I seem to always be without the scooper, guys. I always keep thinking that rock out there is a fish, but it's just...
Yeah.
Skyler, don't forget your...
I know it's back there.
Pretty.
Oh, we go down here.
Look at that mud.
Okay, I got an idea.
Don't go down there. That's mud, Sky, I think. Down there it's fine, I think. Careful, Q. Don't stay there.
This is the trail.
No, we're not gonna.
What? Oh, come on. That was my stick. What do you mean?
Skyler, you shouldn't need a stick at age 10.
Talking to the guy that literally fell over into Lake Superior.
Yeah, that is true. Guys, I'm recording. No. Careful, Q. I think it's... Hey-oh. Hey-oh. Yeah, don't touch that. Spiders will get you. Oh, there's a pathway over there. So there's a pathway behind us. Waiting for you, bud. Take your time. See? Helps you out. Careful with those. I think those are might be slippery with those. Q, stay here.
I don't want you to flip.
Sky.
Lava is,
Everywhere.
lava is almost here.
It is.
Yeah, it's almost there. It was there first, but now we're here now.
I wonder why it grew like that.
Mommy taking some photos. Best she does.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, let's go. Let's roll out.
Aww.
It helps having a stick because he was telling us like, no, it doesn't.
Yeah, it's a
Just the
beagle.
way younger version.
You know where she's at? In the bathroom. Wow. Holy cow. Look at this, guys. Yeah. Sit. Excuse me, sir. Hello, ma'am. Wow. I think this is almost better than gooseberry. Anyway, it's not as popular. I don't know. Maybe they measure how deep the water is.
That's definitely a path right there. Together with the pine needle.
We have to get moving.
Careful, Q. Hey, Q, come over here, hon. No, no, no. Wait for Daddy.
That tree probably didn't last a day. It definitely looked like it got struck by lightning.
Got it.
Get it.
You liar! Now you can hit the stick.
Sky.
Come on, you know I'm joking. Sometimes.
Jeez. Yeah. Looks like it might have just recently happened too.
Looks like that one collapsed onto that one, which
Yeah.
made that the bigger one fall over.
Let's go.
The opposite.
The ground is dry here. Wow. Because those needles really blocked that rain out. Yeah.
Bum, bum. Bum, bum.
I didn't expect the trail to open up this much. What goes to the right?
Probably just a trail.
Well, this is like a vehicle trail here. I think this must be a way to... You must be able to take vehicles over here. Yeah. No poop. Just rain. Rain, rain, rain. Mommy's snoring.
Go away, come another day.
Look, that one got scarred.
Yeah. Holy cow.
Pickles, do you think you can fit in that?
No. That's where big red ants live.
Okay, I'm out.
Yep, I'm out.
Oop.
You.
And now for a commercial break, because we don't want to show mommy's butt on the video.
How do you put that in the
I flipped the camera onto me.
Now for a brine break.
Is this here, Dad?
That was me. Go butt. Well, there's wildlife, Quinn. There's wildlife in the forest. We are in bear country. Yeah, this is the park. I see why. Nah, makes sense. What is that?
What?
Oh, somebody wrote something on there?
Dang, this stick is hard.
Alright, this trail started off so great and then kind of fizzled out then a little bit. Alright, everyone. Well, that'll be it for today. We got back home about an hour or so ago, 9:30 p.m. So we left today at about 6 a.m. Got to Duluth about 9:30, 9:45, 9:30. We left Duluth around 5:30. Stopped in Eau Claire. Ate at Applebee's. We also ate at Old Chicago in Duluth. I'll have some pictures put up on our Instagram account probably tomorrow. But we are back. Whew. What a long day. 8+ hours of driving. But we did have fun. See you tomorrow.